नमस्कार। मैं डॉक्टर निशित भार्गव। मैं पीडियाट्रिक कार्डियक सर्जन हूँ। आई एम हेडिंग द पीडियाट्रिक कार्डियक सर्जरी डिपार्टमेंट इन अपोलो हॉस्पिटल्स, इंदौर. Pediatric cardiac surgery is a field which deals with adults and children who are born with some kind of defect in the heart. जिस भी बच्चे या किसी बड़े को अगर पैदाइशी कोई हार्ट की बीमारी है तो उस चीज़ को पीडियाट्रिक कार्डियक सर्जरी में हम लोग डील करते हैं. दिस मे इंक्लूड द सिंपल डिसीजेस एज वेल एज द मोस्ट कॉम्प्लेक्स ऑफ द डिसीजेस विच अ पर्सन कैन माइट बी बॉर्न विद. पीडियाट्रिक कार्डियक सर्जरी एक ऐसी फील्ड है जो पहले बहुत कम करा जाता था इंडिया में. There were very few centers who were dealing with pediatric cardiac surgery. But today, the numbers are increasing as the awareness is increasing. Our unit in Apollo Hospital Indore is doing probably the largest number of cases in the city, state, and probably in central India as well. We are dealing with all kind of cardiac anomalies, be it the simple anomalies जैसे जिनको बोला जाता है ASD, VSD या PDA, जिनको बेसिक भाषा में बोला जाता है कि दिल में छेद है. मोस्ट कॉमन जो हार्ट की साइनोटिक हार्ट डिसीज़ या नीलेपन की जो बीमारी हैं जैसे टेट्रोलॉजी ऑफ फेलो या फिर सिंगल वेंट्रिकल हार्ट्स या फिर कॉम्प्लेक्स डिसीजेज लाइक TGA, TAPVC, ट्रांसपोरेशन ऑफ ग्रेट आर्टरीज, TAPVC, इंटरप्शन इन द आर्च. JAP नियोनेटल सर्जरीज हैं जो कि पैदाइशी जिनको पहले कुछ महीनों में या पहले महीने में या पहले साल में ऑपरेशन की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, हम उन बच्चों की सर्जरी करते हैं. पीडियाट्रिक कार्डियक सर्जरी बच्चों को डील करती है. जो भी यंग कपल्स होते हैं जिनको बच्चे बॉर्न होते हैं, दे आर वेटिंग फॉर दैट चाइल्ड फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 9 months. आफ्टर दैट व्हेन दे रिसीव द चाइल्ड, अगर उनको पता चलता है कि द चाइल्ड हैज़ सम काइंड ऑफ हार्ट एलिमेंट, दे आर वेरी डिवास्टेटेड. दे आर वेरी वरीड अबाउट आगे क्या होने वाला है, whether treatment is possible, whether there is a place where they can get the treatment done, and what will be the future of the child. Now this is what interests us. These couples, when they are coming to us, they are really in bad shape. They are really worried about the child. And post-surgery, when the child is totally doing fine, when you see them 1 month after surgery, the smile on their face, the smile on the kid's face, the activity of the kid is what we thrive for, is what keeps us happy. And this is something which is really motivating when you're doing surgeries in kids who otherwise would not make it to their infancy or adulthood. But post-surgery, when they come to you without any symptoms, they're totally free, they are free of medications. It's very rewarding. It's something which keeps you going. As far as my special interest is concerned, pediatric surgery is obviously what I love doing. But even in that, neonatal surgeries and infant surgeries is what I love doing. It is something which is very challenging and it requires a lot of input from the team. But these are the kind of kids who benefit the most out of surgeries. और ये जो neonates हैं जो बस पैदा हुए हैं, जो काफ़ी टाइम तक स्ट्रगल करते हैं NICU में, वो कभी वेंटिलेटर से बाहर नहीं आ पा रहे हैं या ऑक्सीजन से बाहर नहीं आ पा रहे हैं, उन पेशेंट्स पे जब ऑपरेशन कर पाएँ और कुछ समय में वो जब इम्प्रूव हो जाते हैं, that is something which is really special, and that is something which is very close to my heart. So as I've already mentioned, pediatric cardiac surgery is not something which is done in all the centers. There are very few centers who are doing pediatric work, and especially with covering all the specialties, all the complexities. And we are very happy that Apollo Hospital Indore, since last 4-5 years, we are doing, our unit is performing almost around 300 odd surgeries every year, and we are trying to cover the whole range. There are times when the things are very complex and it requires a lot of input from the whole team, but we do have a good multi-specialty team where we are able to handle most of the complexities as well. So in case of any queries regarding kids who are suffering from some kind of heart disease, or even the adults who are suffering from congenital heart disease, you can get back to us, you can contact us. Thank you.